He shoots, he scores!
Alright, we're out here hunting our trade right now. We're just looking for these to all return to their previous levels. SPX has a very large gap that it has to fill to reach this up here. If it can do it, cool. If it can't do it, that's fine. We're downtrending on the day. 5 minutes. So we're just waiting. We're breaking all these levels. We ran all the way down and all the way up. So we're down -$2 today on a day trade from last night. But we are in a bearish market today. So we want to see what's going to happen with this. Meta is holding low here. Let's go to the 5-day, 5-minute on Meta. Zoom in. Meta's holding low. We need Meta to either break out. But Meta held low yesterday too. So Meta's just in a downtrend. Microsoft is in a downtrend. Apple, let's check Apple on the 1 minute, get a better picture. Apple on the 1 minute it's going to be in a downtrend as well, but it was in an uptrend pushing up to the high, which is right here, 190.49. Go ahead, set a reminder for that when we get there. Then it's going to see some downturning. So right now we're just slowly building our way back up to the levels that we were at prior to this. And once we get there, we'll go ahead and finish our fall. We started out falling hard like I figured we would. Boom, boom, boom. Came all the way down here on Meta. Meta's not driving the market today. It's between Apple and SPY. SPY is actually dragging along QQQ. But we're looking at some SPX trades right now. So if SPX is that 467, I'm going to get in a trade for the 430 area. 430 is 130 right now. I'd love for that to go down to about 85. But we're kind of holding this level, Apple's ready to fall. Let's get SPX off the screen. QQQ is trending down. SPX is a massive gap to fill. Meta's pulling down some more. Apple's starting to go consolidate. And then we got 6 minutes until our 10 o'clock trade, so we need these to fill these gaps. If they haven't filled the gaps at 10 o'clock, what I'll do is I'll wait a few minutes before I get into my trade to the downside. Let them fill up the gaps and fill these areas that it hasn't returned to. Then play that downtrend. SPX really only has $3 more, so I could play the 45.20. But I believe it will fill those gaps first. We've already leveled out with this here, but we've surpassed that, so there's still a little area to push up to. It's only a couple of dollars. You can wait on it. What I'll probably do is I'll probably buy into SPX at exactly 50 cents for $100. I don't think it's a true fall yet. We still got 5 minutes. Not a true fall yet. We still have 5 minutes. The volume's lower, so it's slower. We're actually eking up slightly. And you just got to be patient in these trades. You don't want to jump in too soon. Just be patient. Your trade will come. Doing this live on a small account, sitting at 800 right now. Consolidating, pushing up, consolidating, but pushing up. See, we're staying above this 9 EMA, so that should show you that if we don't break through that and hold, then we're probably going to continue our push up until we line up with this right here, the previous day's high. High at the end of the day, I should say. Boom. Meta mark just push below. All right, so Meta will fall today. That's good. It's not really dragging anything, but Meta will fall today. So we broke through for a second there. Meta's at its bottom, so we'll see if it pushes back into the zone. And it did. And And again, look, you see, you can't get tricked. SPX is still slowly going up. Everything else is going down around it, but SPX is still pushing up. So there are other sectors carrying SPX. This gets down to about 45 cents. I'll probably buy it. 3 at 45 is 135. 3 at 40 is 120. Let's see if we can get that 120. 120 would probably be the absolute best. I want to catch this before 10 a.m. before the fall happens. Come on, finish your push. Finish your push first. There we go. Keep going. I know the fall's coming, but keep going first. Push, 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 push. Get all the way to 40 cents. Again, just being patient, waiting the 3 minutes out. The pull down is starting to happen, but we still have to be patient. Don't be fooled. We still haven't reached this yet. Dismiss. Still haven't reached this yet, so set a reminder right there. 10 o'clock will get you hit. You'll be like, boom, oh, it's going down, let me hop in the trade, and then all of a sudden the pull all the way back up will be at 190.50, and you'll be holding the bag. So be patient, your trade will come. And if it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall mightily. Let's try to get Apple back to this 190 flat. You see Meta's already pushing up off the bottom. Looking for Meta to come back up to right there at least. Still at the 9 EMA on SPX, so we're still waiting. Let's go to the 1 minute so we can get our entry ready. See what I mean? Instantly jumped up. Never get tricked out by that. Still waiting for Meta to close this gap. I mean, still waiting for SPX to close this gap. We're still trending up on SPX. It's starting to fall, but not yet. Still not 10 o'clock yet. Okay, we broke the 9 EMA. So that's confidence inspiring. Then if you miss your first trade, that's fine. We're still gonna wait out the minute. You have to, like when it comes to trading like this, you have to wait these time frames out. You don't want to get tricked into believing that, oh, it's just gonna fall to right here and then push all the way down. You see how it came to that 23 MA and jumped really hard? You gotta be patient with these trades. 10:07 is a fantastic time to get a trade. So we're hitting the 10 o'clock hour, we're bouncing. We're running, not quite. Then if you want to get in, you just set it to market. See what I mean? You see what I mean? You see how we close that gap instantly? You see how we instantly jumped up and closed that gap? I've entered my 3 contracts for SPX. Looking to fall below here. We'll probably retrace back up to the gap. Come down to about right here below. Low, and now let's get our low where we really want to sell. We really want to sell right around here, 456 for the first area. All right, so this is going to run for about 6 minutes up and down. You just be patient with it. Just be patient with it. I'm setting these reminders because I want to have my take profit areas. You know, there's still room to run up. Those were wicks, you know, but we did hit exactly that 190.33. So once we hit that again, we'll come on down. We hit exactly this area and fell. It's solely because, and now I'm gonna get into my other trade. So that trade's for 120. That's a great price to get in there, 120, and just hold that for a little bit. And let me look at my QQQ trade coming up. Charts, we still haven't reached the high on the QQQ. We wicked up there, but we haven't hit there. All right, we got a little breakout going. Hit them levels, pushing, breaking. All right, now those the highs. Now starts that reversal area. So we got in a couple seconds early. But that's fine. We're fine to hold. We're down 8%, which is fine. We need this to come all the way up here for QQQ before I can get in my trade on QQQ. QQQ, we need to go to 1 day, 1 minute. Watch this. Watch this push. Watch this push. The drop was quick too. We still got 3 minutes on this though. We still got 3 minutes on this shakeup. So we can see the top of this. 3 minutes on the shakeup. We want to get close to the money too. So if we can get $1 outside of the money and get a nice fall, that'd be super dope. So Meta's holding. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. MSFT. See if Microsoft has reached its high yet. Microsoft is pushed all the way down, pulling back to about right here. When that pulls back, that'll be a good time to get in the QQQ. Apple's high. Let's check out NVIDIA. NVDA enter. NVIDIA's up and down. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla's the last big boy. Alright, cool. Tesla's on the upside. So we're looking for Tesla to come back down here. Alright, so we're approaching that 5-minute mark. We're looking at this. Broke the 90 EMA now. See if we come back up to it. We got 2 minutes to my big trade. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. We need to come to about right here. We got 446. Put you right here. All right, we're doing this live now. We're live in the trade. We're up $88. $70. We want to break this wick here. Once we break this wick, we know that we're going to be in the money. So for Tesla, we need Tesla to come down to right here. I want all these reminders popping off at the same time. We're below the 9 EMA, that's great. So Apple, we need Apple to come below here. These are key levels, key levels. It has to retrace down. It's gotten all the way up. It has to come back down. Especially on a bear day. Absolute bottom right here. Do I think it comes to the absolute bottom? Sure. Do I care if it does? No. I just want to get as much out of it as I can. Want to get as much out of it as I can. I need you to break through here fast. So this will happen over the next 10 minutes or so. Key levels, key levels. We're trying to get what, 500 out of this? Total. We are bearish, we are bearish, we are bearish. We want $500. We are at $100 right now between all three trades. This right here will get me to 500. So once we cross that 387, that's 500. So let's look at our trades right now. SPX is dead even. UQ is dead even. Up 117. And this should run all the way to about 1030. Look at all those wicks on Apple. The problem is Microsoft has already had its fall. Stay down. Over to Meta, see what Meta's up to. Meta's down in the dumps too. We need Meta just to fall to right here where it's been. Maybe break that 322 level. Still above the 9 on Apple. Still waiting for that to break down. Positive $28 for the day. Now we're just holding and waiting. You just gotta be patient. It's a patience game. You see all the wicks forming. You see it pushing down. You see it hit the 200 EMA. Wick up. You just gotta be patient. Don't get shaken out of your trade. Meta's pushing up a little bit off the floor that it has. Let's look at us on the hour. See what kind of trend we're in. Uptrend for the hour. We need to come down right here. Massive jump. We already made it up to the top. Breaks through here. We get out of the trades. Break right there. That's the bottom for me. That's the definite get out zone for me. All right, we can go to Tesla, the 5-minute. Looking for a 5-minute trade. We can go to Apple, keep Apple on the 1 minute. It's fine. We'll switch to the 5. Today, 5 minutes. Get less candles there. And then 5 minutes on my trade here. There we go. We're having that pullback. We're having that jump down. That's when your money goes up. As soon as Apple breaks that 190.20 level, it's on. It's slow, but it's rolling. Everything is positive currently. There we go. We hit below. Come on, Apple, push down. QQQ's doing what it's supposed to do. We waiting on Apple now. So that's $200 right there. It's actually reflecting slower on my other screen than it is on my main phone account. Apple's almost past that 1920. 1 more cent. Come on, Apple, 1 more cent. Do your thing. And here comes the fall, baby. Here comes the fall. Now it should be about 5 minutes straight of a slow push down. We're looking for 5 minutes straight of pushing down. There we go. Break that level. As soon as we hit this, we might actually go past that, so I'll leave a runner. Let's get 500 on the stream. Come on, baby. Let's get 500. If it pushes back right here, create below. I wanted to get through these wicks. Definitely this one. Okay, we broke that first wick. Tesla's pushing down. Come on, don't retract yet. Don't retract yet. Keep going. Don't retract yet. Retracts, we will get out. We'll take our $200. We have 15 minutes still. 15 minutes on the clock. 15 minutes on the clock. We're pushing down. 15 minutes. Come on, Apple. You got to break. Apple's got to hit this 90 EMA. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. There we go. That's 330. That's $330. Keep going. We're halfway through it. We need to hold. We need to hold through it. All right, so we broke through. Cool. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All we need to do is meet. All we need to do is meet. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. All we need to do is meet that. Meet that bottom. Once we got to get the wick, none of that. Just meet the bottom. It's $400 right there. It's $400. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Don't push up yet. $400. Wick through, wick through, wick through. Come on, meet the bottom, meet the bottom. Meet the bottom. Apple, break your 9 EMA, damn it. There's $400, $500. There we go, $500. Apple is rejecting hard off of this, so we're gonna sell. We're gonna sell. We're gonna take our $400 over here, or $300. We'll give it another couple of seconds. We don't want it to push all the way back up. It's a brief push up, but it could be really aggressive, so we want to get out. Push back down through what we was just in. Is it 1017 yet? It's 1018, so that's the 1 minute there. No, Apple has not come down through its stuff, but that's fine. We'll take what we can get. First, we'll sell our SPX. We need to sell before 1032. That's the key. First, we'll sell our SPX, take the money there. Then we'll let this ride for another couple seconds. We want to see it break this wick. We want to see it break this wick. It's not breaking the wick, it's pushing back. Break the wick for me, baby, break the wick. Apple's pushing up, saying sell. Apple is saying sell. Apple's saying sell. Apple's saying sell hard too. Apple's trying to trick you out. Come to that 9 EMA, you gotta get out. So you're gonna get green candles, they're gonna form. It happens. You gotta stay strong to your trade. You do have to exit before 1030. Tesla went lower. Apple hit a support area and bounced up. Now it's going down. Still got large wicks above. Come on, Apple, push down. Do what you're supposed to do. There we go. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. We took profit on 2 of our trades already. Yeah, I'm gonna fly through this. There we go. Go on down. Break that new low. New lows. 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 Break that wick there. That's 500. New lows, baby. New lows, new lows, new lows. You stay here, Tesla. Stay down low. Need Tesla to push 2 with Apple. Tesla's pulling Apple 2. They're not loving that ugly ass truck that Tesla's putting out. They're not loving it. They're not loving it. Not loving that ugly truck. No, we gotta take this. We'll take this. It is what it is, but we're still in that downtrend, so we want to see it push down. Apple has to break this level. It's such an annoying level. Have we shifted red for the hour? Let's check. I don't believe so. Oh no, we are. We're red on the hour, so we can ride this. We can ride this. We're red for the hour. Come on, baby. Break that last line of defense. Last line of defense. Come on, Apple. Come to your 9. Manage your greed. You'll take the $400. It is what it is. That's a great day. I really wanted you guys to see the full 5, but if we don't get it, we don't get it. Tesla, you come on back down. Quit being a hoe. 1031 is such an important time. I would love to break down before the 1031, but if we can't break down before 1031, I gotta get out of it. Gots to get out of it. Let's go check on Nvidia real quick and make sure Nvidia is still going down. Nvidia is in fact still going down. Nvidia just switched on me. Apple's pulling hard. There we go, Apple. Do your thing. Do your thing. Apple's driving everything right now. Apple's driving the car. Apple's driving the car. Come on, do the $500 for the stream. Don't be no punk, biatch. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Break that level. Break the level. Just come down to 386.80. There we go. Tesla's doing whatever. We're getting off Tesla. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. MSFT. 1F. Cool. Calm down, dogs. I'm about to bring you in the house. Apple is pulling hard, but stuff's not joining us yet. We need stuff to join Apple. Tesla finally pulled back down through the mark. Apple just has to get to... Apple's at the 9 EMA. Apple just has to get to this area right here. And we're good. We're sitting great. Don't worry. We're going to take our profit, though. You know that. You know that. Come on. What you going to do? Yes! Apple's red on the next 5-minute candle. Nah. Down, Apple. Down, Apple. Keep going. Apple's red on the next 5-minute candle. That's crucial. That is crucial. We need Nvidia to come to right here. Crucial, 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 crucial moments here. Crucial moments here. Come on, 386 flat. 386 flat. It's still going down. It's still going down. I even take 386.60. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, family. There we go, family. You're seeing it live. You're seeing it live. Woo! Burner. 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 We on a burner. We on a burner. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We on a burner. 4 minutes. New lows. Come on, new lows. There we go. 4 minutes. We on a burner. We on a burner, family. We on a burner, family. Oh, that's the bottom. That's the bottom. We got to get out. $500. We did it. 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 Oh, hold on a second. Can we get to a full dollar? $500, family. It's going even lower, but you do not play with your food. You saw it on the stream, $500. We ended up with $451. I went to close out and messed up the closing procedures. It's okay. It's on your phone. Sometimes you mess up. $481 total is what we took home. $451 profit on the day. Close out of this profitable. What a week, guys. What a week. I'm so happy you guys were here to see this with me. I'm going to post this video later on. What a week, what a week. All right, guys, so we bought in $451 today on QQQ, $30 on SPX. I got a little impatient with my XPX. Had I known it was going to fall, SPX probably would have got me another $200, but that's fine. I don't like playing with my food. I took my profit, got out of there. I still have $259 as far as the option buying goes on my small account that I can play with. But, you know, we don't get in and out of here just to be getting in and out of here. Jerome Powell's going to be speaking in about 30 minutes. It was crucial for me to close down before 10:30, and I got out of my trade right at 10:30. If you look at Apple, let me minimize this and get this out of the way. If you look at Apple, it's saying that we're having a hard push up right now. That it was time to get out. I made it perfectly. This is 189.95. So on QQQ, that puts me at, dang it, I can't hit the darn button. Move that to the side. QQQ, that put me at 386.29. My actual contract price was 386 exactly. So you can't get any better than that. $500 in a trade, in and out. I love it. I love it. This has been such a good week. I want you guys to continue to thrive. I hope everybody's having as much luck. We are in a downtrend on the day, and Jerome Powell is speaking in about 30 minutes. I wouldn't suggest holding anything past when he starts speaking because you don't know what can happen. But as you can see, look, everything's hitting. I could have made even more money, but I'm not. You gotta manage your greed. You got what's $100 more versus a possible flip back. But if it does go back up, I might be looking to get back in after Jerome speaks. All right, fam, keep an eye out on all these trades. I'm your boy Sebastian. This has been another full transparency trading session. I want you to see it as I'm doing this, and I'm out.